In the 9th century, while Europe struggled through its dark ages, three brothers in Baghdad were quietly building machines the world wasn't ready for. They were known as the Banū Mūsā Brothers, Muhammad, Ahmad, and al-Hassan, and their inventions were so advanced that engineers today still study their designs with disbelief. These three brothers were orphans, raised in the intellectual heart of the Abbasid Caliphate, the House of Wisdom, surrounded by scholars, mathematicians, astronomers, and philosophers. The brothers rose from nothing to become some of the greatest engineers in human history. Their most famous work was a book with a simple title, The Book of Ingenious Devices. But inside that book was a universe of mechanical genius. They designed over 100 machines, many of which had no equal for nearly 1,000 years. They built automatic fountains, self-playing instruments, and early versions of programmable devices. They invented valves, control systems, pressure regulators, and mechanisms that engineers today recognize as early steps toward automated engineering. But their true masterpiece was something historians still talk about: the world's first automated robot powered by air pressure. A mechanical servant that poured drinks on its own. A machine with motion control. A device with feedback mechanisms, centuries before the concept of robotics even existed. They created self-locking locks, water-level regulators, fountains that could change shape, and lamps that extinguished and relit themselves automatically. And here is the hidden truth. Many of the engineering principles the West later credited to European inventors, from Leonardo da Vinci to Harun Ay's successors, were already perfected by the Banū Mūsā Brothers in the 9th century. Their work was studied by al-Jazari, by engineers in Persia and Samarkand, and later by European scholars who encountered translated manuscripts during the Renaissance. The brothers also transformed mathematics. They contributed to geometry, trigonometry, astronomy, and the measurement of curves, helping lay the groundwork for later breakthroughs in calculus and analytic geometry. They weren't just inventors. They were pioneers who introduced the concept of mechanical automation, a world-changing idea that today powers factories, robotics, and modern engineering. Yet ask the average person who invented automation, who pioneered feedback loops, who built the first programmable mechanical systems. Almost no one will say the Banū Mūsā Brothers. Their names were lost, overshadowed, or ignored, another chapter of history erased from mainstream education. But their legacy is undeniable. They built machines that defied their era. They imagined a future nobody else could see, and they helped shape a world powered by engineering, mechanics, and innovation.